Where have the last 2 years gone? Right? That's how I've been feeling. I'm sure you're feeling the same way too. We've been dealing with so much. You have been dealing with so much, and the people you've been caring about have been dealing with so much over the last 2 years. Things that were completely out of our control and have interrupted and disrupted our lives. The good thing is the light is at the end of the tunnel, and we want to start to prepare ourselves for starting this new year, for starting 2022 with a fresh start, with a fresh mindset, and being really clear on how we want to turn up, who we want to be, what we want to achieve in 2022. And so that's why we've designed this session called Reflect, Recharge, and Reimagine. Now, I'm your coach in this session. I'm Sean Hall, CEO of human performance company Energx. And we're going to keep this very, very practical to give you some tools that you can use both while you're away, because often we go into our holidays, our breaks, we're feeling exhausted. And sometimes we're coming back feeling tired as well, and we want to stop that happening. So the first thing we're going to look at is a simple thing that you can do, 10 days to recharge. It's something you can do with yourself and with the people that you care about, right? So that you come back from your break feeling like your batteries are recharged again. We're going to show you a simple tool that we introduced to you in the earlier session around having less meetings. So we're going to look at how we apply the energy diary tool to actually reflect on the years, the last 2 years that have been, and how we activate our growth mindset around that. We're also going to look at how you build your superpowers, right? Identify them and make them even stronger. Really let them come to the fore to create more space and more for the things that you love, and also to feel proud about what you achieve in 2022. And then finally, we're going to use these tools again in a really simple way to give you real clarity around your vision to set yourself up for success in the new year. This is a fun, powerful, inspirational session. I can't wait to spend time with you. It's one of my favorite things to do with people. If you've got any questions about it, please let me know. Again, to get the most out of this, make sure that you understand what your superpowers are. So spend 10 minutes just completing that simple superpowers assessment. The link's there along with the meeting invite. If you've got any questions, as I said, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you soon.